My name's Jeff Cox. I'm Manager and Director of Newpave, privately owned company, 100% Australian owned and operated, and a great reputation over many years. In the last 30 or 40 years, we've ranged in asphalt businesses from Cairns down to Hobart, across the Broome, doing airports, roadworks, major projects for private companies like Darracon. A hell of a lot of asphalt all around the place.
The equipment is a major component because it's past performance that is our decision process, and without the right kind of gear they can't produce that record. So we require them to be consistent, and the right kind of equipment allows them to give the same high quality product time and time again.
We're heavily invested and have been for many years in very high quality equipment. We are the owner of the biggest CAT paving fleet in Australia. We have 22 pieces of CAT paving equipment. Have an excellent relationship with WesTrac. They provide us with service and backup. We have 4 asphalt crews running around the clock 6 days a week. The CAT gear, in our opinion, is currently the best gear on the market. It's very good at providing ride, providing performance in the placement of asphalt, providing performance in compaction, and as far as milling and removing the old asphalt from the road, very efficient. They have levelling equipment on them that is again integrated into the machine, so we can match levels, we can do all sorts of things and give ourselves the right result at the end.
How do we determine whether the final ride or the smoothness of an asphalt product meets standard? And what the industry utilises is what they call a bump test, and that tests the axle movements of a car travelling at a fixed speed. And we've done a recent job, Scone Bypass. We utilise Newpave as a company to produce that asphalt, and their bump test on their finished product was at a standard where our client paid an incentive bonus because the end product was better than acceptable.
But we don't get paid to put bumps in the road, and we don't get paid for a poor finish. I can only see our relationship with WesTrac and Caterpillar getting bigger and bigger in the future. They're bringing in more and more equipment into the country, better equipment at every stage, more versatile equipment, so we can continue to upgrade our fleet, turn our fleet over, and have the latest and greatest gear all the time.